What's last name? And then she would have her choice of
Low speeds are always fast on these things, but they definitely are functional.
basic.
Alright, medium. Here we go. That is medium.
Okay, so you buy these, you buy the light, you buy the motor, and you buy the blade. Okay.
Now, some blades are complementary.
Okay.
For instance,
You can also do 60 and 50. Right.
these are complementary blades.
Okay.
These are dispatchable.
Definitely very powerful medium, I should say. Of course, high is ridiculously powerful, but at the same time, you put a 188 in a 52-inch fan, you're going to get really good performance with that. Just need the blade pitch.
All right, so I guess.
And that thing just flies on high speed. So it just shows you how good some fans really are. So yeah, that's it with this one.